These are some of the standard sets of important Aaiyyanists Yantras. The Guru is available for a few months to create any of these Yantras on a small canvas for you and your family. If you would like a powerful Yantra not in the standard set, then please let us know. Also, if you are unsure of which Yantra you need to transform your life, then do let us know and we can guide you. It is important for Aaiyanists to have physical Yantras created from High Aaiyyani in their possession, as these are much more resonant with the energy and entities that the Yantras are linked to. For example, having a physical canvas of the Nirmayan Yantra to link with Saraswati will make you much closer to her and increase your knowledge and learning potential. Similarly, having a physical canvas of the Takolvian Yantra will exponentially protect you against curses. Guru Dhaval has over 40 years experience in inscribing Yantras and is very resonant with lokas, talas and other dimensional spaces and entities. Having a physical Yantra created by the Guru will transform you and make you very linked to the energy and entity that the Yantra is resonant with. This will ultimately aid you in your journey to oneness with Brahman. The Guru is only available for a few months to create your Yantra, so do take this opportunity to uplift yourself now.